Hi students, welcome back to the English class. Fifth class, all of you can take your English textbook. Today we are going to learn from the Unit 9, Sing a Song of People. Okay, the poem is written by, you can see the next page. The poet name is Louis Libinsky. Louis Libinsky. Okay, do you get the poet? Okay, then in this poem, Sing a Song of People, the poem is saying about people, about us. People means we all, okay? All people about us. Saying that in this poem, the people in this world are busy or hurry. Hurry means fast. They are all fast and they people are busy. Then, in this poem, the poet, one who write this poem, she is asking why these people is busy, why they are busy and why they are hurry, and asking that where all these people are going. Okay, where these people are going here and there, where the people are going, and saying the difference between the city people and the village people. Okay, the city people living in a big house, big building, then they are also busy, and village people is living in small houses, and village there is farmers. The village people is farmers. Then there is a difference between city people and village people. Then saying that here is also saying that there is a group of people in living, where we can find the group of people. A group of people we can call collective name called crowd. CROWD, crowd. Then where we can find this crowd? You know that we can find the crowd in market, in railway station, in bus station. Okay, these are the places we can see the crowd. Okay, now let us go through the poem. Sing a song of people, walking fast or slow, people in the city, up and down they go. Okay, this four line is saying that sing a song of people walking fast or slow. Sing a song for these people who are walking fast and slow. We can see in the road, in the street, the people, some are walking very fast without looking anyone. Then some are walking very slow. Then people in, that is we can see in the road. Then in the city, up and down they go. Means if they are living in a big house, big buildings, there will be lift, elevators. Means there are more steps they have to walk. Then that's why there is a lift machine that it will go up and it will go down. Then the people can use that lift. Then that is why the people in the city, up and down they go. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. Okay, then people on the side, someone is walking in the road side. Then people, that time you can see the buses are passing on the road. We can see the, in the bus there are people. Then people are passing. When we will walk, the people are passing in front of us and back of us. Back and front. Okay, the next line. People on the subway, underneath the ground, people riding taxis, round and round and round. Okay, then where other people we can find? People on the subway, means there will be underground road. If it is one bridge is there, then there will be underground road. In the bridge also there will be passing the vehicles. Then there is underground road. Then there is also, there are people walking and someone is riding the taxis. Anyway, there is a round and round. Everywhere we go, we can see the people. Okay, next line. People with their hats on, going in the doors, people with umbrellas when it rains and pours. Okay, the which dresses are wearing means someone with hats. They have the hats on their head. So going in the doors. So someone is going inside in the door side. People with umbrella. They someone with umbrellas when it rain and pours. When they use for the rain. Okay. This much this part. Now let us go to the another side of the text. Okay, where these people are living? People in tall buildings and in stores below, riding elevators up and down they go. Okay, then someone people is in the buildings and someone is in the store below, downside, below side. Someone is riding elevators, mean there someone is in the lift. Up and down they go. Next, people walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, people talking loud. Okay, you can see the people is someone is passing alone, someone is going alone, then someone people in a crowd. We said already the crowd, we can see the bus stand, then market, then in the railway station. Okay, then people saying nothing, someone is talking silently, someone is going silently, then someone may be in the mobile. Okay, someone is in loud, maybe someone is talking loudly. People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. Okay, here is saying that someone is laughing. If you see, if you notice, someone is maybe talking and laughing. Someone just smile. Someone is nothing. No, grumpy people means there is no ill-tempered means there is no emotion. Simply walking. People some who just hurry and never look at you. Someone never, even if you look also, they will not look at you. Then again the last line, sing a song of people who like to come and go, sing of city people you see but never know. Okay, this poem is very simple poem, everyone can read it. Then the next page is there is new words, but you should find out the other words also. Then question answer I will send. There is also opposite words downside. Let us write the opposite word. Slow, opposite of slow, fast. Back, friend. Okay. Below, above. Loud, soft. Speaking loudly, speaking softly. Up, down, tall, short, crowd, alone, go, come. Okay, this opposite word is simple. Then I will put in the WhatsApp. The question answer opposite word I will put in the WhatsApp the fair notes, but the homework you should do the difference between the city life and village life. You should write at least 3 sentences. Okay, the difference between city people and village people, or city life or village life. This one you should do in homework. Please everyone read this poem very loudly and find out the meanings. Okay students, bye. Thank you.